My name is Irene Wagema. I'm a director and founder of Zabibu Center. And I started the center in 2005. Prior to that, when I was working with the government, I came across many cases to do with disabled and children with special needs. And I realized we didn't have much to offer them. And I decided one day I'll want to do something just to be part of that change that we want to see.
So I started volunteering at Zabibu actually about 2 years ago when I just entered in Safaricom. It was the time when during World of Difference Phase 2, Bob actually asked executives to find their projects and to find this way to engage. So through the foundation Zabibu was already known to the foundation. They brought me here because I had selected that as a project I wanted to see.